the electromagnetic radiation spectrum, right? Is the range of all possible frequencies of electromagnetic radiations, right? So spectrum of an object has a different meaning, right? So that's, we should not be confused, and is instead the characteristic distribution of electromagnetic radiation, right? So you should be careful when we are explaining or talking about electromagnetic spectrum, right? So here you can see we have frequencies over here, right? And the frequency is rising when we go from right to left, right? So the arrow is mentioning the movement, and here at the bottom of this belt we have the wavelength. So you can see that the wavelengths are increasing when we move from left to right, right? So they are inversely proportional. So if wavelength is increasing, so it means